Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pokemon Champions game crashing or not working, not loading, not launching, lagging, freezing, keep stopping, black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first thing is to restart your phone. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart or simply restart your device once. And after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, you should check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using mobile data, then you can move to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this, open the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage option over here. Now click on clear cache. Once you have done this, go back, launch the game and check. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Pokemon Champions game, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and go back again and launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you can install a VPN app and then check if it's working. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. So install any one of it and after that log into it, change the location and then try to install the game and check if you can play it. If not, you should check if there is less storage space on your phone. If so, then you have to delete some unused apps or contents and after that try to launch the game. So better you can check it, go to settings and after that click on RAM and storage. The steps may be differ. You simply have to check if there is less storage space or so. If yes, you have to delete unused apps or content and after that go back and then launch the game and check. You should also check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings. After that, go below. Here you have to click on system update option and here you will find if there is any update available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that log into the game and check if it can work. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Now after you remove the game from your device, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Pokemon Champions game and finally click on install option. Now after reinstalling the game, click on the play button and check if the game is launching or opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.